Hey, Jeffrey Curtis here, and we are going to be talking a little bit about the Canon M6 and how you can use it as a webcam. Now, it took me a long time to figure out how to use the Canon M6 as a webcam, and that's what I'm on right now, is the Canon M6, and streaming into OBS, and then recording from there. All right, so let me just show you first off how you got to hook, because I looked at a lot of tutorials about this, and one of the things that wasn't clear at all was how to hook it up. All right, so I'm just going to switch this real quick over. So let's switch this over. So now you got a double picture of me right here, but that's okay. First off, if you look right here, it's the top one, right? This is the USB-C that I'm hooking up to right here. So here's my Canon, here's the other webcam, and I've got them both hooked up right now to I got them both hooked up through OBS, and that's how I'm doing it. So let me just go ahead and shut that off. All right. So now let's go on to another place on the web page and look at what you do, how you hook it up. All right, so I'm going to reduce this real quick. So here it is what it looks like, right? It's called the Webcam Utility. Now there is a pro version. You don't have to pay for the pro version. You download this version, and then it will install the drivers that you need for OBS to be able to recognize your Canon. Now, you might have to shut things down and turn them off and turn them on a little bit for it to recognize. Now, typically when I shut off the camera, I have to shut off the this web controller right here, and then and turn it back on, and then it'll come up. And then once I'm in OBS right here, then I just go over, then I put EOS Webcam Utility in there like that, and then I have it, right? So now I'm using the webcam, but it won't. The alternative method, of course, is to use the HDMI, but I didn't use the HDMI. I just used the USB-C out on the Mark II. This is a Mark II, M6 Mark II. All right, so if you need to go to a place to get the download, just go over to Google and type in Canon Web Cam Utility. Right there it is, and it'll take you straight there, Webcam Utility Pro, and then you just download it and you install it. Download support. Program video cameras for lenses, cameras, EOS utility, and mine is the M6 Mark II. And then you can get the webcam utility right there. All right. So you just go into the utility right there, download it, and install it, and that actually it does actually work. So this is using my bigger lens, you know, and my 10-18 EFS, but with the 3.0 with the USB, you can't use the microphone input on the camera. If you are using the HDMI, which is the second slot down, then you can go ahead and use it. All right. Hey, I hope that helps you out. For those of you, I can't afford the R6s yet, so I'm still running the M6. I love this camera though. But I hope that helps you out, and you have a great day. I'll see you next time right here on Vlogtastrophe.